Hi, I'm Kirsti and this is UNE Discovery Voyager Online. It's after Easter and you may have eaten a bit of sugar over Easter, or we're going to do an experiment today with sugar. We're going to burn sugar to make a black carbon fire snake. You may have seen this before, and although it sounds a little bit risky, you can do it safely at home, always with adult supervision. And in fact, kids and adults, this is a fantastic science play you can do together. What do we need? There's things in your cupboard that you can use. And in our cupboard behind us, we've got sugar. This is what we're going to burn. I've just got white sugar there, and I'm going to add some BiCarb Soda, some sodium bicarbonate. Mix them together. We're going to also use shellite. You can use lighter fluid or butane to maintain our heat source to make this fire snake. And we're going to put all of it in just a teacup, something fairly heat proof. We've just used a 50-cent op shop teacup here and filled it with sand. So this is just a base to put the fuel in. And you'll also need an ignition source. So we've just got a lighter here. I'll put that to the side. Now, what we're going to do is, first of all, open our childproof fuel container. And we're going to pour into the base to soak our sand, probably a good 3 or 4 tablespoons of fuel. Put the lid back on and put that away, well out of reach of our fire snake. Now, we're going to combine sugar and sodium bicarbonate, the baking soda, to make a little mixture of about 3 to 1. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 spoonfuls of sugar. And to 1 teaspoon or spoon of baking soda. And mix it together. It's a little bit like making a cake. It's all food chemistry. And then I'm going to pour a little mountain of that onto the fuel and put it aside. And we're already pretty easy to set it up like that. Now we've got a sugar mountain with our ignition source. I'm just going to light the sugar. You can see that it's a relatively small flame there. And if you watch carefully, we're going to observe the sugar burning. What you can see there is black carbon. This is a combustion reaction. So sugar, for which the molecular formula is carbon 12, hydrogen 22, oxygen 11, is burning. Now it's an incomplete combustion reaction here, because if it was complete combustion, we'd have enough oxygen. It needs more oxygen to burn, but what we're getting here is carbon. And you can see the snakes coming out of the sugar there. Now it's a slow enough reaction for us to watch it happening. You can see the sugar bubbling out from below. And as long as we have the fire triangle, a fuel, oxygen, and a heat source, then we will have a fire in our teacup. Now you can watch this safely at home and watch this reaction. This is a black carbon fire snake that we prepared earlier. These are the kind of things you can make with such a simple reaction. And once it's cooled, so this will be very hot for a while, once the flame has gone out and it is cooled, you can actually pick up your fire snake and touch it. It's an amazing texture. And it also smells like burning sugar. So this is something that you can use all your senses to understand. So we're going to have a little play with our black fire snake and wait for this reaction to happen. Have a go at home. Make sure you be safe. Put some safety glasses on. You might even want to put gloves and an apron on to be a scientist at home. and you too can do this. Post some pictures of it if you like and show us what you've been doing at home. But stay safe and enjoy your black fire snake.